इरिटेट होता है वो, मज़ा नहीं आता दोस्त। तेरा और मेरा कोऑर्डिनेशन जरूरी है कि नहीं दोस्त?
And here we go. It's the start with an absolute cloud sixer. Ravi, the highest run getter, starting the proceedings. Once again, a full toss driven for a single. And Rakesh by starting the proceedings for the bowling. Palu protectors electing to bat first. Sagar accompanying Ravi. It's a white ball signaled. 8 runs on the scorecard itself. And what a ball this is. No, it touched down the legs of the batter. Palu protector, according to the name, it was a chance of a catch being dropped down. So it's the line. If you take the catches, you win the matches. If you lose, surely there are gonna be some ups and downs. 9 runs in 4 balls. Sagar Ghag and Ravikant Vishwakarma. It's a full batted shot, a throw at the non-striker's end. Overthrow. But then both the batsmen are well settled. They know they are gonna get those runs. Double digit run, 10 runs. Living the ball. It was way outside the off stump line. Wide ball. 11 runs. That's a good Yorker delivery. Played back to the bowler, not for any runs. End of the over number 1. It's 11. A good start here for Palu Protectors. Eleven runs after first over. This time driving it down the ground above the bowler's head. It's a dot ball. Jasmine collecting the ball. Krishnakant bowling from over the wicket to the right-handed batsman. Well, it was a cross-batted shot. Yet another single being scored. 12 runs. It's a fine pair and then it's a fine shot. Sagar joining the party. It's an absolute cloud sixer. On this turf, we have seen 100 plus scores since morning. Let's hope for yet another big score game. 18 runs in 1.3 overs. Round the wicket, left away. It was way down the leg side. 19 runs. That's in the air. Straight to the throat of the field. The first wicket falling. Coordination of wickets falling on both the turfs. Can we know the fielder name? And if I'm not wrong, it was Alpesh Bhai, the big man at the key region. So the opening pair has been disturbed. Sagar walks back. And Rohan comes down. So Krishnakant providing a breakthrough this time, tapping the ball, a chance of a run out. Oh, it's the big man. He has been run out. A suicidal run. Rohan denied it, but then Ravi making a wrong decision. Walking back, not happy with this selection. And Shripal once again, the man with runouts. Murtuza, we have seen him throughout all the seasons. He has been on a fine touch, and surely whenever the captain needs, he's there to bat out. But this time a defensive stroke. A good comeback by Krishnakant. 19 runs, 2 wickets after 2 overs. Anuj bowling the third over, a chance of a catch. It's not that easy in the follow through, but this kind of matches at this stage, you need take the catches down. Crucial catch. Murtaza getting a lifeline here. Again, loopy delivery outside the leg stump. Wide ball, 20 runs, 2 wickets. Again played towards Tripal, not for any runs. It was in the air, and this time it has been caught. This time he makes no mistake. Third wicket on the score of 20. And it's gonna be a very important game for DGCOM. They are playing hard out. They know it's the crucial game. If they win, any of the team who wins this match are straight away into the finals. Jatin Bhai walks out in the middle. Again denied by Rohan. He didn't want, but then a good call by the non-striker. Oh, they are appealing. They are appealing. A bit of pressure being made on the umpires too. Oh, that was a close call again. A chance of a run out. Late throw, but still a single. And the score for Palo Protectors moves on to 21 runs. 3 overs gone, it's 21 for 3. And it will be a power over. 21 for 3. 21 रन 3 विकेट ना नुकसान है. 21 रन 3 विकेटों के नुकसान पर, 3 ओवर्स के कंप्लीशन पर. पावर ओवर एंड Rakesh Gandhi to bowl the crucial over. And it's in the air. Oh, a chance of a run out at the striker's end. Oh dear. Minus runs. So at the moment, it's not the scenario for Palo Protectors. They didn't want to lose a wicket, but it's the current situation. A miscommunication, and Jatin walks back. He has been run out on the first ball of the power play. Two run outs in the innings so far. Surely these are not the scenarios any team wants. Amit is the new batsman. We saw Palo Protectors playing all the strokes, winning the matches on turf too. But they have been invited here against DGCOM, who are in a good touch on turf 1. A crucial match. It's in the air. The batsman crossing over for a single. It's a power over. That's a good stroke. And a wicket falls. Second wicket in the over. What is all happening? The batsman, the team cannot believe. But yes, this is the cricket. You need to have a respectable score, and then you all can defend. But at the moment, DGCOM team, they are riding easily. The left-hander comes in. Ashish Bhai. 23 for 5. I beg your pardon, 5 wickets have fallen. That's been played, not for any runs. The final score we will be saying after this over. Oh, it's clean bowled. Oh my goodness. This is all happening here. The wickets falling, tumbling like a pack of cards. 3 wickets. That means minus 15 runs. All the efforts. Surely this is some different kind of a scenario. Amar is the new batsman. He will be on the strikers end. 1 ball is remaining. Because it's a power over, we will be declaring the runs after the over. Following the ball, it's a dot ball. But what an over this is. Can we have a round of applause for Rakesh Bhai? Crucial over. And give just a second, we'll update the score. The score is 10 runs. Yes. 4 overs gone. It was a power over. So, okay. So 10 runs. So it's done. 4 overs done. It's 10 runs on the scorecard. And 5 wickets have fallen. Okay, thank you so much, both the batters. Thank you so much. 10 runs, 6 wickets, and अमित एंड अमर ए स्क्वायर की जोड़ी बीच मैदान पर. कम बैक करना होगा, वापसी करनी होगी. जो हो चुका उसे भुलाकर आगे बढ़ना होगा. जैस्मिन, फुल टॉस डिलीवरी. इट्स अ नो बॉल. एंड एनजे बाउंड्री. 5 important runs. Free hit to be continued. Oh, inside edge. Free hit. Once again, it was in the air. Just falling short of Shripal. Now this time he just wants a single again, our chance. All time in the world. Pankaj Bhai has a smile. 1 more wicket in the form of a run out. The supporters are not happy, but it's the cricket which is happening, showing the all shades. And Kiran Bhai is the new batsman. Pankaj Bhai having the final laugh. And the good throw by Shripal. The trap being set by the team DG.com. And Jasmine, once again, he is in a good touch. 2 wickets in 2 balls. 1 in run out, and what a catch in the follow through. This is not all happening here. They are turning the table down. And it's the last wicket. The last recommended pair for Team Palo Protectors. They have not been protected the score. And now, are we gonna encounter a low scoring match? No sir, team hat-trick hogi. It will be a team hat-trick if Jasmine takes a wicket. The last pair. Oh, very well defended by Nilesh Bhai. getting a thickish edge and a single. The score is 17.
ओवर कितना हुआ? कितना? 5 ओवर?
5 overs, 17 runs. And Anuj Bhai to bowl. Well, it was in the air for a while. Just a single. 18 runs on the scorecard. If they can post around 40 to 50 in the remaining overs, that would be a fighting score. On the back foot and a wicket. He doesn't live. And the curtains are down for the first innings. Yes. Palo Protectors cannot believe themselves. They won the toss. Batting first. So then it's a game of a cricket. Even you all have that score to defend. If you try your luck best. It's a game of a cricket. Palo IT. Thank you, umpires. Let's place the call. A full toss delivery. Defensive shot offered. No runs. Oh, that's a good delivery. Again, a quick single. The same scenario we saw in the first innings. However it be, each and every run is important here. Oh, there was a chance. This should have been taken. A small chances converts the game. Rajesh Bhai at the striker's end. Defensive stroke, outside edge, dot ball. They need to defend the score. They need to protect it. It's in the air. It's an NJ boundary. All the emotions from both the teams. Yes, everywhere on the corner. All the emotions from both the team supporters. Full toss. Not able to connect it properly. The ball touches the upper roof. 5 runs after first over. So it's an easy run chase here for Team Digicom. But on the other end, Palo Protectors, they need some wickets. Some quick wickets to turn this table around. Murtuza in the second over. Well, this time this has been flicked away. Well, he's some kind of a funny guy. Alpesh by making the pressure on the fielders. That's been played into the gap. And a quick single. Seven runs on the scorecard. Oh dear! Again the ball reflects. The reflection is not that easy. And it's an NJ boundary. Oh! He connects it. And shows the direction. Absolute cloud sixer. 2 runs needed. On the back foot. Towards long on. Not for any runs. Over comes to an end. 17 without a loss. 2 runs needed. So then see, even if a team loses it, you all have a chance. Yes, you'll get one more chance to be in the tournament. Oh, that's a quick delivery. A good spin. Jatin Bhai. Bowling round the wicket. Full toss. And it's an absolute cloud sixer. Team Digicom are in the finals. And Palo Protectors, you all have one more chance. निराश मत होइए, आपके पास एक और मौका है. उस मुकाबले को आपको भुनाना होगा. A good game of a cricket coming to an end with a good strike. Welcome to Assert Cricket Premier League Season 5. Good evening to one and all.